Welcome back, coding comrades, to another delightful episode of our Java learning journey. In this episode, we are tackling a topic that can sometimes feel as complex as unraveling a giant ball of yarn: data types. Fear not, for we are about to make them as clear as a crystal ball, with a sprinkle of humor, of course. Picture this: you're at a cafe and you're faced with the monumental decisions of ordering your favorite drink. Java, just like that cafe, offers you a menu of data types, each with its unique flavor. So let's break it down one sip at a time. Integers. Think of these as the solid, whole number chocolates of the programming world. They don't deal with fractions, they are all about the whole delicious experience. And doubles. Now, doubles are like your fancy coffee blends. They can handle decimals much like you can add a splash of cream or syrup to your cup of joy. Booleans. Booleans are the binary choice makers, just like when you have to decide whether you want a cake or a cookie. It's either true cake or false cookie, no in between. Characters. These are the unique marks in your cupboard, each representing a single letter or symbol. Just like your collection of mugs, characters make up a diverse set. Okay, we are got our chocolates, coffees, cookies, and mugs. But how do we use them? Let's talk variables. They're like your table at the cafe where you place your order. You name your variables and Java keeps track of what's in them. Simple, right? Imagine this. You have a chocolate bar and a coffee cup. You declare your chocolate's brand's variable name as my favorite chocolate and your coffee's size variable name as coffee size. Now, whenever you want to know which chocolate you are indulging in or how big your coffee is, you just refer to these variable names. Easy peasy. Now, for a dose of brilliance, let's make variable names memorable for those days when your brain is feeling a bit lazy. Here are some tips. Be descriptive. Imagine you are reading a book. Variable names should be like chapter titles, chocolate brand, or coffee cup size. Make things crystal clear. And mindful abbreviations. Think of abbreviations as secret codes. Your lazy brain, choco brand, and cup size work like shortcut without sacrificing clarity. And underscore magic. If your variable name is a bit too long, throw in on underscore. My favorite chocolate keeps things neat and tidy. And there you have it, coding comrades. Data types and variables simplified with a dash of humor and reliability. Just like ordering your favorite cafe treats, using data types and variables in Java becomes a second nature that's as enjoyable as sipping a perfectly brewed cup of coffee. As you continue your journey into the heart of programming, remember that even the most complex concepts can be made refreshingly simple with the right analogies and a touch of laughter. So go ahead, code on, sip on, and keep embracing the joy of learning. Until next time, happy coding!